Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download and install Python 3.14 on Windows 11. Whether you're a beginner or just setting up a new system, by the end of this video, you'll have Python fully installed and ready to use. Let's get it started. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Python website, that's python.org. On the home page, hover your mouse over the Downloads tab. You'll see a button that automatically suggests the latest version for Windows, in this case Python 3.14. You can see all the available version from View the full list of downloads link, and here select the version record and click on Download here. I would like to download latest Python version. Now I would like to get standalone installer for Python 3.14. So click the download Python 3.14.0 link. The installer file will start downloading. It's usually around 30 megabytes. Once the download finishes, open your downloads folder and locate the file named . Now double-click the installer to start the installation process. You'll see the Python setup window appear. In the installation pop-up, there are two options: Install Now and Customize Installation. Install Now. This option installs Python 3.14 with the default settings. By this way, it's automatically including all essential features and Python will be installed in the default directory. It's the quickest and simplest method, ideal for most users who don't need to change the installation path or components. Customize installation. This option gives you full control over the installation process. You can manually choose which components to install. This option is best suited for advanced users or those setting up Python for development or multi-user systems. Before you do anything, make sure to check the box that says Add Python 3.14 to path at the bottom. This is a crucial step. It ensures you can run Python from the command prompt without extra setup. This option automatically adds the Python 3.14 installation directory to your system environment variables, allowing you to run Python from any command prompt window. If you open the Edit System Environment Variables window and click Environment Variables, System Variables, Path Edit, you'll notice that before installation, there's no Python 3.14 entry listed. However, once the installation is complete, all the required Python paths such as the Python installation folder and the scripts folder will be automatically added to the system path variable. This step ensures that you can easily execute Python commands globally without needing to manually set up any paths. Then, click Customize Installation. If you would like to review installation features, or just hit Install Now to go with the default settings. Here I would like to select Customize Installation for further processing. Next, Optional Features window. Make sure every feature should be checked like documentation, pip, IDLE and Python test suite. Now click Next. In the Advanced Options window, make sure to check the box that says Install for all users. You will also see several additional checkboxes that allow you to further customize your installation. Here, you can view the installation location. By default, Python 3.14 will be installed in C drive program files, Python 3.1.4. If you'd like to install it in a different folder, simply click the Browse button and choose your preferred directory. For this tutorial, I'll keep the default location and continue with the installation. Now, click the Install button. A new Python setup window will appear showing the installation progress. During this process, you will see the various components being installed as the progress bar moves toward completion. The installation will take a minute depending on your system speed. Once the installation completes, you'll see a message saying setup was successful. Click Close. And now let's verify everything is working properly. You can verify that the Python 3.14 installation folder is located at C drive, program files, Python 314. After completing the installation, let's verify that Python has been correctly added to the system environment variables. First, open the Start menu and type Edit the System Environment Variables in the search box. In the System Properties window, click the Environment Variables button. Under the System Variables section, scroll down and find Path, then click Edit. In the list of paths, you should now see Python installation folder location and corresponding to its script folder. These paths confirm that Python and its scripts folder have been successfully added to your system path. This means you can run Python and pip commands from any command prompt window without manually configuring anything. After installing Python, let's check necessary resources. Go to the Start menu and search Python. From the apps part, you can see 4 items. 1. Python 3.14 64 bits. 2. Ideally Python 3.14 64 bits. 3. Python 3.14 module docs. 4. And Python 3.14 manuals. First, click on Python manuals. This will open the official Python help and reference guide in your default web browser. Here, you can explore detailed information about Python syntax, built-in functions, libraries, and examples perfect for learning or troubleshooting. Go to the Start menu and search Python. Now, click on Python 3.14 64-bit. This will open the Python command line interface, also known as the Python interactive shell. Here, you can type and execute Python commands directly without using an editor. For example, type print welcome to Python and press enter. You will instantly see the output displayed below. This interactive mode is great for testing code snippets, experimenting with Python functions, or learning programming basics quickly. From the Start menu, open IDLE, Python's built-in editor, which stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. IDLE is Python's built-in code editor and interactive shell, where you can write and execute Python code instantly. Let's try a simple example. In the Python shell, type print hello world. Then press enter. As you can see, the output appears right below your code, confirming that Python is working perfectly. Using the Python shell, you can write, test, and run code directly without needing any external editor. Finally, from the Start menu, open Python 3.14 module docs. This tool launches a local documentation server that lets you browse and search through all installed Python modules and packages on your system. It's extremely helpful when you want to understand what each module does or check available functions directly from your installed environment. Both these resources confirm that your Python installation includes complete offline documentation, so you can learn and reference Python anytime, even without an internet connection. Open the command prompt, simply type cmd in your Windows search bar and press enter. In the command prompt, type the following command: python --version. You should see Python 3.14.0. That means Python has been successfully installed on your system. Next, let's make sure pip, the Python package manager, is also installed. In the same command prompt window, type pip --version. Displays the installed pip version 25.2 and its associated Python version 3.14 with installation path. Now pip is ready to go. Now let's create and run a simple Python program to test our setup. First, open Notepad or any text editor of your choice. Type the following line of code: print hello world. Next, click File, save as your file name hello.py. Now from the CMD, run the Python file by typing python hello.py. Press enter and you should see the output. Congratulations! You've just run your first Python program successfully. This confirms that Python 3.14 is properly installed and working on your system. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed and verified Python 3.14 on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up for more programming guides and check out the next video. Thanks for watching and happy coding!